I've always loved plants, from having a small balcony garden to a slightly larger terrace garden, from being obsessed with roses to then giving up on them because there was not enough sun in my garden, to now being obsessed with hibiscus. I've gone through various stages of being an amateur gardener. I've also loved learning about plants, their names, their features, what makes them special, and also their botanical names like Millingtonia hortensis or Spaneticola trilobata. Sounds like Greek and Latin, right? That's probably because most of the botanical names are in Latin, with a few names of people thrown in. For example, the Millingtonia hortensis, which is an Indian cork tree. The term Millingtonia comes from the name of Sir Thomas Millington, who was a great inspiration for Carl Linnaeus the Younger, who named the tree. Just to demonstrate, let me show you the gifts that my kids gave me for my birthday. My daughter gave me this cup, which says Crazy Plant Lady. Isn't it beautiful? I mean, I would love to have a place like that to sit and read. And she also gave me this Monstera keychain, which is my absolute favorite plant. And my son gave me this beautiful butterfly earring. So that kind of sums up who I am. During COVID, when we were all sitting a little jobless, my husband suggested that I could start a plant catalog to document everything that I was learning, and that sounded like a brilliant idea. And thus started greencoverinitiative.com, which has become a serious passion project over the past 3 to 4 years now. So wherever we go, I'm always delaying everybody because I'm hanging around taking pictures of plants and flowers and leaves and everything. The website now has over 500 species of plants, which is about 1/10 of what I want it to be. This YouTube channel is an extension of the website where I try to share information about flowering plants, garden plants, leafy plants, vegetables, herbs, or even weeds, trying to connect with a community of plant lovers or plant heads like me. Hope you find this channel useful. Hope you get some good information from here, and hope your garden thrives with flowers or vegetables or herbs or whatever your heart desires. Or if you don't have place for a true garden, hope you will have a money plant on your kitchen windowsill or a lucky bamboo plant on your dining table. I promise you it will give you a lot of happiness. If you have any questions about me or about plants, reach out to me in the comments below or at the email address nancy@greencoverinitiative.com. Hope you have a wonderful time gardening. Happy gardening to you.